Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to format visuals in Power BI Desktop. So in current Power BI Desktop we have three visuals. One is bar chart, one is a card, one is a slicer. So when you plot this particular visual from the visualization pane, you can see three options. One is add data to your visuals, second is format your visuals, third is add further analysis to your visuals. So to format a visual, we will click on the second icon, that is format your visuals. After you click on this, you will get two options. One is visual and one is general. So first is the title. So in the general, you have an option called title. You can click on the drop down and then so for example, you can edit this or else you can keep it as it is. This particular picks up when you select a particular value from the data. So currently I'm not going to change it, and you can change the heading type. Heading 2, it will be little bigger, and I will bring it in center, change the alignment, and now I want to change the background color. I can change the background color here. Okay, so in this way you can change the color of your title. And so I have put a background to it. You can change the text color from here. Currently I will keep it as black, or else you want to change the font, you can change the font also. So for example, I will keep, and I will make it little bold. And now we have done changes to our title. Now if you see box here, it has no so you can't see the border line. So if you want, you can give some effects to your border line. You can go to again format your visual, go to general. In the effects section, you can give it a visual border, select it as on, and then you can increase the round corners. And if you want to give a light shade here to your border and give it a shadow. Okay, so now you can see you have round corners, you have a shadow. Okay, so this is how you can format your visual. Now the other parts, the grid lines. So I don't want to see the grid lines, I will remove it. Okay, now the columns, so you can change the column. I will change the color to, okay. And now the data labels, you can give color to your data labels also. I will change it to black, bold. Okay, So as you can see now, it is more visually good. So next is, uh, let's see what else we can do. Okay, values, change the color to black, make it bold. Okay, so we have formatted the y-axis. We will format the x-axis. Since it is little light, we will change the color to black and bold. Okay, so now if you want to change the background, we can change it to any lighter shade. For example, I will change the data labels background, and I will reduce the transparency. Okay, so now as you can see, with various formatting options, we have formatted a bar visual. Next, I will change the formatting of this card visual. So we insert the card visual with this. Now we can change the card visual. So for example, we have value and its value name. So that is callout value or category label. So to remove that, you can remove it from here. We don't want that. Callout value. If you want to change the color of callout value, you can do it from here. You can change the font size to 35. Okay, you can reduce this size, and here in general you can give it a title. So my current is sales value. I will bring it in center. I will give it a background. I want to keep it as same as, and bold. Okay, uh, I will reduce this size so it looks little proper. And then as you can see, if you remember, you can go in effects, give a visual border. And so for this I want to show you how the black looks like, and I will give it a shadow. So if you see, it has a black border, or else I can change it to other border in the effects, visual border. Okay, and now the slicer. So slicer, I will reduce it reduce the size. I will go to format visual. So now slicer header. So there are two options. Either you can give a title here. So I will remove the slicer header. I will give it a title so that I can modify the title with the help of title. Otherwise, with the slicer header, you can't move align it. Place. I will align it. I will give it a background. Make it bold. And in the effects, visual border, shadow. So in values, I will change the font color and background. I can change the background to, and for border, you can change the border to, and you can increase the line width. Okay. So this is how you can format your slicer in the visuals section. Values, you can change the font color, you can change the border, you can change the background. And in slicer settings, you can change the orientation. I will keep it as vertical because it looks good. Selection, you can change it to multi select to single select. So anytime only one place will be kept selected, otherwise you can remove it. You can give show all also. So we'll have a select all option. Okay. So this is how you format a visual in Power BI desktop.